What's up, YouTube? I am back with video number 2, a little parts update on what I've got so far and what I'm still needing on my Whipple upgrade. It's a cold morning here in Texas. I'm in the garage. The light is not that good, but I'm in Texas. I don't do cold weather, so the door's staying down for now. If you watched the first video I uploaded, thank you. If you have not watched that one yet, go check it out. And here we go. So everything that I'm showing you today was purchased from JC Customs. That's Joel Charles. He's out in Florida. If you haven't seen his stuff, don't sleep on it. Go check it out. I am not sponsored by JC in any way, so I'm not getting any perks or kickbacks by showing you any of this stuff. I'm just spreading the good word of JC's billet to you guys. So first, this is his billet midplate. Obviously that's for a 2-3 Whipple. That's what I'm going with. I'm still waiting on that. Said they're about 8 weeks out, built to order. We're getting close. I check it every day. I'm getting antsy. I really want to get that blower in my hand so I can put my truck back together. So we're getting close on that. I'll do an unboxing video of that one if you guys want when it gets here. Next up is the Trick intercooler with the 1-inch inlets. I'm having my entire system converted over to 1-inch. I've got a few custom hoses already made for it. I've got the hoses for sure for this in the house, but eventually the rest of the system will get converted, but I will work on that as time goes on. And we've got the intercooler reservoir tank, also from JC, as I've already said. It's a great looking tank. Welds look good. Does not have the plastic lid like some of the other ones do. I know a lot of guys complain the plastic ones leak. This lid is not. This tab got a little bent in shipping, but I'll straighten that out whenever I go to install it. I've had this thing for about, I would say probably a year. Bought it when he first announced them. I don't think he makes them anymore. Not sure if that's the case. I haven't been on his website to look, but normally whenever JC posts something new for the Lightnings, I jump on it pretty quick. Same goes for this thing. This is his billet belt tensioner. Shit. What do you say we try that one again? As I was saying, this is the billet belt tensioner. God bless. Stick with me, we're gonna get this right. This is JC's billet aluminum pulley bridge. This is the newest product he came out with for the 2nd gen Lightnings. Pulleys look great. They got these nice caps on them that he did. The attention to detail on these are extremely good, as everything else that he does. What's great about this one, that pulley is adjustable, so you can adjust it for the tension as you need it, and there's no need to buy that extra bracket and bolt it in like I believe it's the Metco ones. You can adjust this thing as you need it, and it is integrated. So that is definitely a nice touch on that, and it's going to look really good with my all black theme that I've got going with my truck. That's going to do it for this one. I went over everything that I've got so far. Like I said, the Whipple should be here any day. When it does, if you guys want to do an unboxing, I'll do it. It's nothing crazy. It's a 2-3. These trucks are an old platform. Everybody knows what a 2-3 is, but if you want to see it, I'll do it. When the weather gets nicer and everything is bolted back together, truck's running, I'll pull it out in the sun, I'll do a walk around video. I'll go over more of what I got on the interior. I know some of you guys have seen the suede, the carbon fiber. If you guys want that, I'll make another video of that as well. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.